everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox together and first sniff together my Valentine's Day collection items. Now, I did not pick up every single item from the Valentine's Day collection. You guys saw in my video sharing the collection with you how massive that collection is. And so since then, some things have sold out, so I am really glad that I was able to share the collection with you before waiting for my items to come in, just because things are only available while supplies last when it comes to these limited time collections. So, and some of these items have sold out. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I ordered a warmer, a mini warmer. I ordered the wall fan diffuser. I also ordered the bars that I have not even opened yet, so we are going to do a first sniffs together. I've got a pod pack, and I also have the sugar scrub. So first, I gotta dive into the bars. I gotta dive into the bars because these sound like they are going to be absolutely amazing. So here we have, so in this little duo, we have Best Berry, and then you'll see the packaging is upside down on purpose for the other one because they're supposed to fit together like little best friend bars. So Petal Pals is the other one in the duo. Now, if you are only interested in one of these scents, unfortunately, they are not available to purchase individually. You would need to add the individual bar that you're interested in into your Scentsy Club subscription. If you are newer to Scentsy or newer to my channel and you don't know what Scentsy Club is, I will link a video down below showing you basically how I edit my club, but I also go into more detail about Scentsy Club. It's basically a subscription service that Scentsy offers for all of our consumable products. All kinds of perks. Definitely check out that video if you are new. But oh my gosh, okay, I am so excited for this situation here. So both of them sounded like they were totally up my alley, so I had no problem picking up both bars, and who knows, maybe both bars will wind up in my club. We're about to find out. First one, let's go ahead and sniff through Best Berry. And I love fruity berry kind of scents, so oh yeah, this is good. This is really good. Totally perfect. Is this strawberry? This to me, I smell, is this like strawberries and raspberries? It's definitely like a sweet, slightly tart berry scent. Oh. Let me look up the description so that I can share with you the actual scent notes. Best Berry is strawberry and raspberry. Look at that. I swear to you, obviously I have read this description before when I was sharing this collection with you, but I forget things as quick as a goldfish. So here we go. Best Berry, strawberry and raspberry notes rendezvous over silky sweet spun sugar. I 100% agree with that. It's nice. I really like this one. This one could be club worthy. It's a good strawberry scent. I am picky when it comes to strawberry scents because I feel like strawberry scents can be overdone very easily, or they wind up being too cloyingly sweet. But this is really nice, especially because it has the mixture with the raspberry, and the raspberry and the strawberry both I feel like shine through really well in this. I think Sean's really gonna like this too. Best Berry, I think, might be club worthy, so we'll have to wait and see. Okay, next one that I'm super, super intrigued by in this duo is Petal Pals. I feel really weird showing you a clamshell upside down. There you go. Really pretty light pink wax. This one was like a dark pink wax. This one is the one that I think is the floral meets bakery, if I remember correctly. So, oh yeah. Wait a minute. This smells very similar to Pink Petal Tea Cake from Bath & Body Works, if I remember correctly. It's been a little bit since I have smelled that, but that's totally what this reminds me of. First, as soon as I smelled this, that's exactly what I smelled. If you like Pink Petal Tea Cake, you're gonna love this. This is beautiful. This is what I always tell you guys when it comes to like mixing. When there is a floral, and this is something that I do personally, I'm very picky when it comes to florals because florals can be too powdery very easily. And so if there is a floral that's just too powdery for you, mix a bakery scent. Vanilla bean, buttercream, sugar, cookie, any of those like bakery kind of heavier type scents. It really cuts that powder note And even if you're not a bakery person, you don't have to be a bakery person. It's just the sweetness of that sugar cookie or vanilla bean buttercream or that bakery scent just cuts through that powder note and the floral. And it's a really beautiful mixture. I love this. I really, really love this. Scentsy says, Petal Pals, playful notes of pink rose and peony share a whipped marshmallow treat. You guys, it's pink petal tea cake. Oh my gosh. I love this. I love this duo. I think both of them are gonna have to go into my club. I do wish, however, that they would have offered the pods in both scents as well. They didn't, they only offered the pods in Best Berry. So of course I picked up a couple pods here because I picked up the blush wall fan diffuser. So let's go ahead and open this up for the first time together. I saw how cute this was. I love our wall fan diffusers. If you are newer to Scentsy and you're like, what the heck are you talking about, lady? This is, it may look like a warmer, but it's not. Oh, it's so cute. I love the shade of this. It's just right. Let me turn my lighting off so that maybe you can, well, that doesn't really help either. This is such a pretty light pink. Oh, I love it. My camera can, here we go. Since I can come in a little bit closer here, you can see the coloring of this a little bit better. Oh, it's so pretty. It's such a soft, subtle pink. I love this. So this is, instead of using wax in your wall fan diffuser, you are actually using these pods. Pods are a waxless version for home fragrance. So instead of using the bars, you're using these pods. These pods are essentially just little plastic casings that have fragrance beads on the inside. So you will pop this into your wall fan diffuser. You can do 1 or 2 if you're extra like myself. And you just pop this right back on. This is a like resin or thick plastic. It's not glass, so you don't worry about it breaking. It's a nice sturdy design. It just pops right on. So super nice. You just click that on and it turns on. The fan from underneath here starts up and pushes the air up through your Scentsy pods and delivers your fragrance. I love this, and it's blush pink. I mean, really though. Love, love, love this. So I'm happy to have that. So I will say the bars are still currently available. The pods are still currently available. And the blush wall fan diffuser is still currently available. I also grabbed the sugar scrub in Best Berry. I think this is still currently available. That's just while I'm recording this. This could change in a moment's notice. By the time I'm done recording this, there could be something that sells out. So just know, as I'm recording this, this is the availability. So I love our sugar scrubs. They are really, really nice. I will say with our sugar scrubs, when you first open it for the first time, give it a good stir with your finger just to kind of bring the sugar little particles up to the top, just to kind of mix it up really well, and then you can start using it. Really nice, really gentle. I love that scrub. Okay, what I have been most excited for is the Glitter Magenta Mini Warmer. This is no longer available. This was one of the first items to sell out, and I'm not surprised. This I figured was gonna sell out pretty fast. The Love Connection warmers have also sold out. I can remember. I have my phone right here. Why don't I just check this right quick while I'm recording this? The Best Berry Scentsy Soak is still currently available. Let me just tell you what's out of stock. The Glitter Magenta Mini Warmer, what I'm about to show you, the Love Connection Mini and Full Size Warmer, and the Valentine's Day Collection Oil 3-pack. I did actually order that. It just is coming in a different order. So I hope you snagged an oil set for yourself, because that oil collection is fantastic. So I have the Rose Gold Glitter Mini Warmer, but I was like, I love pink. So, ooh, I love this. And I love the Rose Gold Glitter Mini Warmer. It's so pretty. And I love sparkle and shine and all of that. Oh my gosh, do you guys see this? Oh, this is pretty. So this is a glass warmer. So if you are going to get like a tabletop base in addition to, you'll want the one for glass warmers. I say that in addition to, because you don't, if this is going to be one of your first mini warmers with Scentsy, it will come with this type of a base that just plugs directly into the wall. This is like kind of nightlight style, if you will. But yeah, so it comes with this, but if you want it to like sit tabletop, then you will need an additional base. And that's what I'm gonna show you, because we're gonna light her up. Yes, we are. So this is the tabletop base that I'm talking about. So we have the two different types of warmers that we have for, well, actually we even have metal too, but for the tabletop bases, you either get the base for ceramic or metal or the glass. So this is a glass warmer. You know the difference because when you look at the bottom of your shade of your mini warmer, if you have the one that's threaded like this, where it has to actually like screw onto the base, that's how you know it's glass. If it's ceramic, it has the little like notches and you just put it onto the base and like secure it on that way rather than actual threading it, if that makes sense. All right, let's go ahead and, oh, it's so pretty. I love this. This is gonna stay in this room. I don't see Sean being a huge fan. Oh, hi, Ray Ray. He's like, what? Okay, let's check her out. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, this is beautiful. This is even more beautiful than I was expecting, to be honest. And I knew it was going to be pretty. Oh, this is gorgeous. It's no wonder that this sold out really super fast, because she's beautiful. And the dishes on these are clear, just like the inside here is clear. Oh, this is so pretty. I love this. Oh, it's everything I wanted and more. Oh yeah, no wonder this sold out really fast. Okay, so that's what I have for you. Those are the items that I snagged for myself from the Valentine's Day collection. Like I said, there are still some items that are still currently available from the Valentine's Day collection, but they are only available while supplies last. So it's not a situation where it's like available through the end of January. It's while supplies last. So just know that, consider yourself warned. I would say, if I had to make a guess, the next thing to sell out would probably be the blush wall fan diffuser, if I had to guess. You guys, this bar duo, it's wonderful. Let me know in the comments if you picked up anything from the Valentine's Day collection. Have you gotten anything yet? What are your thoughts? Did you pick up the bars? What are your thoughts? Are they club worthy? Because I think those two are gonna make it into my club. Absolutely love them, and I can't wait to warm them. Of course, I will give you my thoughts when I have warmed them and let you know what I think. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.